Before recording this video, I made a folder on Pinterest with some photos to use in my collage. As you can see here, I'm saving all the photos to my camera roll. I tried using photos with a bunch of different colours, quotes, which everyone in my family is going to bully me about until I get rid of the collage, and background images. After that, I cropped all the photos and deleted the ones that I didn't want to use. I ended up deleting about 20 of the photos. I then added all the photos on 4 pieces of paper all together using the app Fonto. Finally, I printed out all the 4 pieces of paper and cut out all the pictures. I started organizing the images by color so that I could try and blend the colors in the photos together when I stuck them on my wall. Then I stuck all the images to my wall using glue tack. And this is the finished result. I kind of like how it turned out, although some of the pictures could be blended better by color.